Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the MSI RTX 3090. It's a Gaming X Trio edition. So first of all, here's the front of the box. You see a nice visual representation of the card. It has 3 fans right there. Anyway, here's one side. There's the other side. Here's the top of the box. And here's the bottom. Now we have the specs for on the back. First we'll look at the top right there. Again, lots of cool technology listed right here. This is one of the best air-cooled systems you can get for a video card. It uses high-end core pipes. Another cool technology is the airflow control right there. It guides the air to exactly where it needs to be for maximum cooling. Really cutting-edge technology right there. And now let's take a look what's inside. So undoing the top flap allows me to remove the box inside. Just flip it down. So here we have, just gonna put the card to the side. First we're gonna look at what's inside this envelope here. The user guide. Again, some simple instructions on how to install the card into your case, all the other jazz. Tons of different languages. I'll probably never read this, but that's okay. The next thing is a thank you card from MSI. This appears to just be another brochure. They advertise all their other products right here in this brochure. And then in here we have just a quick installation guide on how to install in your system. This is going to be in an open bench, so this isn't important at all for me. And now here we have how to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. Kind of neat. They show a nice simplistic way of how to install in your system with the Dragon mascot right there. And of course, they always recommend you to use their own software like MSI Afterburner. Doesn't really matter, you can use other software like EVGA XC Precision. Now onto the card. First off, we have the bracket. This prevents the card from sagging in the case. And it's pretty strong. I'm trying to bend it right now and there's no give whatsoever. Nice solid metal. Take it out of the bag a bit. Yeah, it's pretty heavy duty. And then in here is an adhesive pad to connect it to the card. Again, my system's going to be in an open bench, so it's going to be mounted vertically, therefore I won't need this bracket. So that's all the accessories. Now onto the fun part, the card itself. Here it is wrapped in in the anti-static bag. Just gonna take it out here. Oh, it's really tightly in here. There we go. This is all done by a piece of tape right here. I'm gonna remove this. So inside, we have the 3 fans at the top. The blades are all oriented in the same direction, which means these fans all spin in the same direction. And then here we have a fan header for the 3 fans. One's black, one's white. And then it's nice they include a PCI protector for the slot right here. With the NVIDIA Founders Editions cards, they don't actually include one of these. It's nice. This is a nice perk from MSI to include one to protect the PCI slot right there. And then right here on the end, we have you can see the heat pipes coming out right there. These appear to be aluminum, which are still pretty decent. And then on the other side, we have, first of all, the power connectors. It uses 3 8-pin connectors right here. That's the most that I've ever seen for a video card. Typically, there are only 2 for this. For example, the EVGA XC3 only features 2 of these. But of course, this is a more higher tier card. It has a higher core clock, therefore it draws more power. So I can see why they include these 3 8-pin connectors right there. And then right here we have a protector for the SLI bridge right here. Out of all the RTX 3000 cards, the RTX 3090 is the only one that does feature SLI, and you will need to purchase a newer generation for the SLI bridges in order to enable this. Just gonna put that back on. And here for the connectors, we have 3 DisplayPort outputs as well as 1 HDMI output. Now onto the back of the card. It's nice to include a back plate right here. Most of the cards don't include one. And right here where there's no back plate, that's the chipset for the circuit board. The actual RTX 3090 core is right there. And yeah, it definitely feels sturdy. It does have a bit of weight to it, but that's, I mean, in the end, that's probably good, so it has more efficient cooling. You can see the thermal pads in there, nicely placed. Hopefully this card will get a lot of good use for the years to come. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching. I had a lot of fun unboxing this, and I really look forward to trying out and putting it to maximum overclocking potential. I wish you all the best of luck in your future PC builds. Goodbye now.